Hello everyone. So in the last period, we had seen two three parts of synopsis the Swiss family Robinson, William and Elizabeth, husband and wife. They were having four children: Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. And all of a sudden, they were trapped or stranded in the storm in the ship on the ship. It was impossible for them to escape. Some passengers they jumped from the boat, but this family escaped, and this family landed on the island where they had to make tent for the shelter. When they found that tent is not safe, then they set their house on the tree which has very large diameter. Then father thought to move in safe place because as winter season was very near, to protect themselves from the winter season or cold weather, father decided to find a cave. But they did not get any cave, so they decided to build cave themselves. So they built a cave, and after building a cave, they had four rooms with windows, and they started to live there. Up to here we studied. Now 10 years passed, and the young boys were now young men. Young boys, they became young men. And their parents were very proud. Parents felt very proud on their young boys or young children. They called the island New Switzerland. What name did they keep? New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. And many adventures. Adventures means they showed their bravery. They showed their courage. Who showed? The family. Because in those people, they had capacity to fight against any difficulty. Because what was the question? It was the question to survive. That's why they were ready to fight with any, to struggle with any difficult situation. And they struggled. They showed their courage and bravery. On shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross which was threatening to attack him and found a rack tied to the large bird's leg. Fritz, what did he do? He knocked down. Knocked down means he failed that albatross. What is albatross? Albatross is a seabird. And when that albatross fell down, he got a rag. A rag means a small cloth. A small cloth which was tied to its leg. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. What was the message? On a smoking rock, an English woman, she was trapped or she was in trouble. Stranded means trapped. Fritz had no idea how old the message was, and Fritz, because that rag means what? Rag means old cloth, and Fritz was not able to understand that how old that message was. His father suggested that some smoking rock sounded like a reference to volcano, and his father, smoking rock means it might be volcano. Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity means to their neighborhood, there were no volcanoes. Since there were no volcanoes in their neighborhood, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away, and they thought that bird has come from 100 miles away, from very far place. That bird might have come. Then, however, Fritz felt that someone needed help, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. So Fritz understood that someone was in trouble and that person needed his help. So he determined to help that person who had sent that message on the rack. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rack, retied it to Albatross Lake, and had watched the bird fly off. Now, what did he do? He retired again one time with the note. He wrote one note before that bird fly. The note told whoever received it. What was written on that note? Do not despair, means don't be hopeless. Despair means hopeless. Don't be hopeless. Help is near, because help is here. Help is very near. So don't worry. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Who was that English woman? Jenny Montrose. And she was saved, or she was rescued. She was escaped by whom? By Fritz. Successfully. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. In the beginning, that woman, what was her name? Jenny Montrose. She was very shy, but afterwards she got habituated with that family, and she started to live with that family. One day they saw a ship which had a laid anchor. They saw a ship and they laid an anchor. Anchor means a very big and weight object which is left in the sea. Why? To support the ship. That is called anchor. An encampment had been set up on one the smaller island. Encampment means another camp they set on that island. After checking the people through their spyglass is there. Spyglass. What do you call? Durbin.
Binoculars.
Binocular glass also you can say, spyglass. They allowed the people. After checking, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves and they cleaned home. They did not want the crew to think they were savages, and they showed that they were not savages. They wanted to show that they were not savages, who Fritz and his father, by cleaning the home and all everything. Why? Because that island, it was new. Savages means what? Savages means wild people. Wild people, and they wanted to show that they were not savages or they were not wild people. Through their behavior, they wanted to show. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. The next day, they told the story. Who? William. What was their story? That there was storm before some years ago, and all people jumped into the sea. Then this family was on that ship. They were survived and they came on this island. Then they set up their tent and cave like this, and they lived here like this story. Who told? William told. To whom? Those people who came there newly. And whose story also they told? The story of Jenny's. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughter was still alive and after 3 years. And a surprise it was. Captain of that ship, he was in search of his daughter. And who was his daughter? Jenny. Yes, and Jenny was safe there. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. That's why. And for how many years she was missing? For 3 years. She had been missing for from 3 years, and they were in search of her. And her father was believing that she must be alive, and she was alive. With a burst of celebration, the family, passengers, and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. With a burst of celebration, they celebrated. Why did they celebrate? Two, three things were there. One, they got their daughter. Second, Robinson family who were living on that island. They got new friends. Okay, and everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of survivors, and they were surprised that everybody was in good condition. Their health was also in good condition. As the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on island to return with the ship. Then father realized that what did he realize that who are interested to stay on that island. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. Huh? So they had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. William and his wife Elizabeth, they wanted to live on the island only. They did not want to leave that island. They had been, why? Because they spent their time on that island for a long time. Yes, that's why they were not ready. If Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England, and then Jiffa asked her, if anybody will help her to return back. Fraser was the first to respond. Fraser said, yes, I am ready. He offered chairs for us who were going to Europe, and Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on island. Ernest, his brother or son of William and Elizabeth, he wanted to stay on the island. He did not want to leave. And Jack also decided to stay back. Jack also decided to stay there. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in living, but Franz, other brother, he said, no, I will not live here. I will join with Fritz. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join with Fritz. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education. Why? Because he wanted to take education, academic education, school education, college education. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. Then Fritz told his love. With whom did he love? Jenny. He loved Jenny and he wanted to marry her. The father had kept a record of all adventures they had had on island. Father, he kept all records, whatever records from beginning to till that time. He kept all records. He handed over the journals to captain to be published. And he handed over everything, whatever he had written, the journals. It may be in the form of leaves and all these things. He handed over for publishing so that people should come to know that how they had spent their lives on island and alone their family. Then the ship departed, and afterwards that captain and that daughter, Franz, Fritz, they left that place. Means they departed. Here I have finished the story. One more thing, you write the story, write the summary in your own words, read the lesson 4 to 5 times. Carefully write in your own words summary, and very important thing, you tell the summary in your own words and send me on WhatsApp. It is compulsory. Okay, those who will not send, I will call them, I will call their parents too. Okay, till then, bye bye.